Be honest with me. Raise your hand. Have you ever seen a story that was all over the place? Yeah. Have you ever given one? Thank you, Nick. Me too. And it's because the speaker doesn't start crafting his message in the right place. The very first thing we need to come up with, I want you to write this down, when we start to craft our message, is what I call a foundational phrase. Write that down, foundational phrase. Now, what's a foundational phrase? Don't get ready, stay ready. What's a foundational phrase? Your dream is not for sale. Another story I tell, what's the foundational phrase? What got you here won't get you there. It's easy to remember for the speaker. And here's the other reason why it should be fewer than 10 words, because it forces you to be crystal clear on what your message is, right? Make no mistake about it. The number one reason a speaker won't get his message across is because he's not crystal clear on what his message is. Fewer than 10 words forces you to be crystal clear. And one of the reasons I'm bringing this up, Nick, is because there are so many people who are speech coaches, and they'll tell you, look, if you can write your message on the back of a business card, that means it's clear enough. I say to them, you have absolutely no idea how small I can write. I can write a novel on the back of a business card, but fewer than 10 words forces you to be crystal clear.